Wagwan bad people. In this one, we have Rvssian at this up Stalk Ashley. Yeah man, Rvssian actually exposed Valiant and Stalk Ashley. Plus we also have Sean Kingston and his mother. So viewers and subscribers, this update is one that you do not want to miss. Big up on yourself, and to those who is new to over here, remember, leave a subscribe and feel free to leave a like. Big up on yourself and make we kick this off the right way. So Sean Kingston and his mother is set to serve some time in prison. Viewers and subscribers, go on.
Lawyer was asking for 3 years. Prosecutors wanted 8 years. In the end, a judge on the second floor of the federal courthouse today decided to cut it in the middle.
Beautiful girls.
Weeks away from his own sentence on $1 million fraud conviction, singer Sean Kingston was not there as a judge sentenced his mother, Janice Turner, to 5 years in federal prison.
Like I said, we have mixed feelings about it, and we'll let the appellate courts handle the rest.
Prosecutors had no comment on the sentence, but they accused Turner and her son of defrauding businesses and not paying for high-end electronics, cars, and jewelry, some seized at their Southwest Ranches home. In court, prosecutors said there were 21 victims altogether and over $3 million in losses.
Alright, so this says the mother of singer Sean Kingston was sentenced Wednesday to 5 years in prison and 3 years of probation after being convicted alongside her son in a federal wire fraud case involving more than $1 million. Janice Turner, 63, and Kingston, 35, whose legal name is Kishan Anderson, were found guilty of 1 count of conspiracy to commit wire fraud and 4 counts of wire fraud. Kingston is scheduled to be sentenced August 28. Viewers and subscribers, leave a take down below in the comment section. Sean Kingston and his mother is set to do time behind bars. Jaja, this don't look good for the artists. And so is this the end of Sean Kingston's music career? Viewers and subscribers, just leave an honest take down below. Growing up, we used to listen a lot of Sean Kingston, and if you see all of this that's happening, it don't look good. You see me? So I'm just leave it right there, so. And as I said before, viewers and subs, leave a take. And if you're new to over here, remember, leave a subscribe or leave a like. Now we have Rvssian, Stalk Ashley, and Valiant. Viewers and subscribers, Rvssian, this Stalk Ashley, plus expose Valiant. So, I'm going to read some things and I'm going to see what go on. Rvssian also made some posts to his IG. I'm going to also show you. Alright, so me and they just said, hashtag Rvssian redeem them ever come with some form of drama with some laughing emoji. Rvssian respond and said, well, I asked for Jada Kingdom and got Stalk Ashley. Hashtag T-Mew. Viewers and subscribers, that's a complete diss to Stalk Ashley. Yeah man. And what caused this is because Valiant, when Valiant dropped Passenger Princess, and then Valiant reached out on the media and I say, yo, he want some female artists to remix it. So Stalk Ashley take up the challenge and drop her remix. And it turns out that Rvssian don't like it. You see me? So yeah man, let me show you what go on. So Rvssian posted this on his IG story, and it's a chat with him and Valiant. But Rvssian said, I clearly hear storybook rhythm in the background, LOL, you too lie, hashtag free bad sky. I don't call, Valiant did, liar, liar. So viewers and subscribers, you can pause the video and read the messages between Valiant and Rvssian. So now Rvssian at this Stalk Ashley, and also I show the chat with him and Stalk. So Rvssian said, you too lie. Your man a try over my rhythm and song. You can't find a hit off your own energy. Once again, piggybacking off a next person. So, viewers and subscribers, Rvssian say Stalk Ashley a piggyback because she cannot find a hit song of her own. And so the drama continues between Rvssian, Stalk Ashley and Valiant. Stalk Ashley made this post. It says, never ask this Friday. And you can see where Rvssian said this will never be authorized. But Stalk Ashley is counting down the day, the hour, and the minute when the song Passenger Princess remix will be dropped. So, yeah man, the drama continues between the three entertainers, I should say. Alright, so this is the last thing I'm going to read between them, and it says, to authorize boss, me and Valley came up with the remix idea on a different beat. Out of respect, we send you first. We wanted you to put it out. I did not ask. I did not give you a personal link about this. Valiant asked for a version with your beat and sent you. You hated on it when everybody else was excited. You then called Valiant, put me on the phone, and disrespected my art, telling me you didn't like the vibe and it never sexy enough for you. Okay, art police. I put out a preview of my own version. Now when people love it, you mad. LOL. Okay. So that was what Stalk Ashley had to say about this. So, I don't know, maybe Rvssian I go produce this between Stalk Ashley and Valiant, because I don't know how Rvssian get to work already. Him go cause some drama between him and the artist, and then when I look, him actually produce the song. So yeah man, Rvssian disrespect Stalk Ashley brawling when him say she only a try to piggyback off of other artists and she cannot find a hit song. Rvssian went on and said he asked for Jada Kingdom and he got Stalk Ashley from Team U. Viewers and subscribers, that's a loan disrespect. You see me? But when I don't know how Rvssian get to work already, him go cause some controversy, and then when you look, him actually produced the song. So I don't know if this is a part of the whole plan. If it cause some problem, then him produce it. I don't know how true all this is. But him actually disrespect Stalk Ashley, no joke, and him expose Valiant and Stalk Ashley relationship. So this person said, artists no like hear the truth from producers. Not saying producers are always right. We also have two more comments where this person has said, this is dancehall with some laughing emoji. Another comment from week, me I read about Rvssian from conscience to this with a laughing emoji. So yeah man, viewers and subscribers, a bit things are going. No joke, Rvssian name is always in the media on some drama. You see me? But anyways, if you're new to over here, remember, leave a like and leave a subscribe. Big up on yourself to all of my viewers, all of my subscribers. Catch you in another one.